Hello everyone. Welcome back. In today's session we will learn JavaScript events and form validation. Two skills that make our websites interactive and professional. By the end of this video, you will know how to handle user actions and validate forms so your apps collect clean data. So let's start. What are events? An event is anything the user does, like clicking a button, typing text, or moving the mouse. JavaScript lets us listen for these events and react to them. Write a code that how JS events works. So here a code, a button which says click me, and when we click, it shows a alert that it is clicked. So document.get element by ID. ID is my button. Add event listener. We have added event listener here, which is click. If I will click here, then it will show alert message button clicked. So just check it. Just I have clicked it, so it is showing button clicked. Okay, again click me, button clicked. So this happens due to event listener. We have some more event listeners like mouse over, key down, submit. So suppose I have written here mouse over. So here I will write mouse just move from here. Control S and let's check. It is showing button clicked. Refresh it. Mouse just moved from here. I am just passing the cursor from the button and it is showing that mouse just moved from here. So it is mouse over. We have key down. Key down when we press the key, and submit is when form will be submit. So these are JS events, and we have more events, but these are some common ones. So next will be what is form validation. So form validation checks if the data entered by the user is correct before sending it to the server. It prevents errors like empty fields or wrong email format. So let's see the example of form and with the proper JS validation. So form validation we have code. So let's check the code of form validation with a sample form. So here we have a form with name, email and button submit. This script is just for validation, like document.get element by ID. ID is my form. Then event listener submit. So let name is equals to dot get element by name, then email. Email pattern should be to validate that mail is in correct format or not. So this is for that. Now we can use input type email also to validate, but just for validation purpose. So that's why I have mentioned here text. Else we can validate by just mention here email. So if name is blank, then it should show name cannot be empty, and if email is not in proper format, then it will say enter a valid email and else form submitted successful. So let's check it. So this is our form. Like here I have mentioned anything and just try to submit. The first is name cannot be empty. Then mention name here. Now submit. Enter a valid email. I have entered. Now it also says please enter a valid email. So just type correct email here and click on submit. So it is now showing form submitted successfully. So by using form validation and event, we can make our website more interactive and secured. And for form validation is required to make clean data. The data that will be submitted in our database, in our backend, must be cleared, must be clean, without any errors. So for that, validation is required. So real life use cases of this is login and sign up forms, search bars, contact forms, and even feedback forms as well. So what we learned today, we learned what JavaScript events are and how to use them, how to validate forms in real time, how you can make your website interactive and collect clean, accurate data. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. If you want, I can also prepare a lecture from testbook. So we will discuss and we will do a JS mini project that will be to-do list in our next video. Till then, thank you.